Today, we have a heartwarming short story that will help you learn useful daily vocabulary words and phrases. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English fluency. Let's start. Rahul was a young man who had recently started working in a big city. Every day, he followed the same routine, leaving work, stopping at a nearby grocery store, and then walking home through the park. But today was different. As he reached into his pocket to take out his keys, he realized something was missing. His wallet was gone. His heart began to race. Where could it be? He thought, quickly checking all his pockets. Maybe he had left it at the office, or maybe it had fallen out on the way home. Panic started to set in, but he took a deep breath and decided to retrace his steps. First, he went back to the grocery store where he had stopped earlier. The cashier, a kind elderly woman, recognized him as soon as he walked in. "Is everything all right, dear?" she asked. "I think I lost my wallet." "Did anyone find a wallet here?" Rahul asked, his voice filled with worry. The cashier shook her head. "I'm sorry, but I haven't seen one. You might want to check the park. People often drop things there." With a heavy heart, Rahul hurried to the park, scanning the ground as he walked. It was getting dark, and he was beginning to lose hope. What if someone picked it up? What if I never find it? He wondered. Just as he was about to give up, he noticed a small boy sitting on a bench, holding something familiar. Rahul's eyes widened. It was his wallet. He walked up to the boy and said, "Hey, that looks like my wallet. Where did you find it?" The boy, who looked about 10 years old, smiled and said, "I saw it lying on the ground near the swings. I was about to take it to the police station." Rahul felt a wave of relief wash over him. He quickly opened the wallet and checked inside. His ID card, credit cards, and money were still there. Nothing was missing. "Yes. This is mine. Thank you so much." "You are very honest," Rahul said, feeling grateful. The boy grinned and said, "My mom always says we should return lost things to their owners." Rahul was touched by the boy's kindness. "That's a wonderful thing to do. As a thank you, how about I buy you an ice cream?" The boy's face lit up with excitement. "Really? That would be great." The two walked together to the nearest ice cream shop, chatting happily along the way. Rahul couldn't help but smile. He had lost something valuable but gained something even more precious, a reminder that honesty and kindness still existed in the world. Vocabulary and phrases learned. Wallet was gone, the wallet was lost. Checking all his pockets, looking inside every pocket. Fallen out, dropped from somewhere. Retrace his steps, go back the way he came. Find a wallet, to discover a lost wallet. Shook her head, a gesture meaning no. Check the park, look in the park for something lost. Give up, stop trying. Relief, feeling relaxed after being worried. Lost things, objects that people lose. Honest, truthful, and trustworthy. Opened the wallet, looked inside the wallet. Grinned, smiled widely. Chatting happily, talking in a cheerful way. Keep practicing these words and use them in your daily conversations. Here's your challenge. Create a sentence using the words wallet and honest and comment below. Let's see how creatively you can use them. Like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.